Did you know that European paper comes from sustainably managed forests? And of the wood from those forests, only 13% is used for making paper, with 50% being used for energy and heating, and 28% being used for construction. Between 2005 and 2015, European forests grew by 44,000 square kilometres. That's more than 1,500 football pitches every day. As trees are used, more are planted, with paper products being recycled and reused time and time again. Paper originates from a natural and renewable resource, and responsibly used can be the sustainable way to communicate.